What is up, my gamers? I mean, why don't we just get started, no? I think we got a few people. They'll just trickle in here. But we can get started here. What graphics card did you have before? I had the 3060, but that's my old PC and it's a one fan card, so it's probably as good as like a 2070. And it's not even, I don't even think it's as good. This hard drive was from my last system. I've just been carrying it over because it has all my Steam games on it, so I don't really have to download too much. So that's why that's there. But otherwise, let's open up the motherboard. Ooh, nice. So this is a motherboard that comes with Wi-Fi on it, so I didn't have to buy a new Wi-Fi adapter. Wi-Fi things. I forget what this cord is, and then IO shield, and then I guess I'll keep this in the back for later. The CPU that I got is the Ryzen 5 7600. So it's on the newest thing, so I have to get DDR5 RAM instead of DDR4, which mostly everyone has. But that just makes it easier for me to upgrade it later down the line. I had to do a few things to this motherboard, so that's why this isn't my first time opening it. Don't don't ask why. But first, we're gonna open the CPU box. Bonk! What's up, this person? What's up, what's up? We're gonna open up this box here. Our CPU box. We're gonna take this latch down, pull it up, pull this back. Kinda small for me. But we're gonna open this up and we're gonna place her in. So I don't know if you guys can see this, but in the very corner there's a little triangle and it lines up. Bro got the same mouse pad. This is my second mouse. This is my older mouse pad. I have to clean it because I got a new one, but it's a little small, so I might just use that as a spare while this gets cleaned. But for the time being, let's look at our CPU. The new Ryzen like CPUs look so weird because usually they're just like a normal, it's like a block, but this has like all of these weird ridges. Oh my god. So since this is the newest gen one, they're like the Intel CPUs where these are flat. On older generation Ryzen ones, they have pins and they're really easy to break. So I'm happy that they don't have that. Corner to corner, because the triangle's here and the triangle is, you see that little golden triangle? If it'll focus, that little golden triangle right there. That is what it is. Bonk X2. Thanks. Then you just drop it in there. Close this. Lock her in. And yeah, we're good to go. Usually I like to put on my my CPU cooler before, but since I got an AIO, which is an all-in-one, it's a water cooler that goes on, and these fans go on the roof of my case, so I had to put these in last. But since we're here, I can open up the Kingston Fury RAM. This is an RGB RAM. It's I think this is probably the cheapest RGB DDR5 that there is, which is pretty nice. But this is only 16 gigs, but I'm going to, once I get my next Twitch, once Twitch pays me next, I'm going to upgrade. So when you're building PCs, if you have 2 RAM sticks with 4 of these, you want to put it in the first and third slots, because that runs dual channel. Because if you put it in the first 2 ones, it doesn't run dual channel. The first motherboard was broken like that. But you might be right, chat. And if it is, then it is. Also, on the pre-built that I have over there that I'm streaming on, it's in 1 and 3, which is weird. If that's the case, but we'll see. You put these down until you hear the 2 clicks on each side. Usually, putting in RAM feels weird as hell because I always feel like I'm breaking it, but you're not breaking it. You just have to put in a not abnormal, just like a weird amount of force. Next, we're gonna get the SSD. I wanted to get a terabyte SSD, but for some reason they sent me 500 gigabytes, and that's really why I'm using the hard drive for now. And then I'm gonna get a 2 terabyte SATA SSD, which is like this, but fast, like this. But this is just gonna be my boot drive for now then, because I don't feel like returning it, and I don't mind having extra storage. I shall remember this for when I build my first PC. Thank you, Infi. You're welcome. Okay, so some motherboards, you have to screw in your SSD to this little part here. But on some of the newer ones I've seen, like my friend's PC that I helped him build, and this current PC I've had, are screw-ins. So do I just pull? Okay. Okay, you do just pull. Alright. So, on these, you have like a little thing in the middle here that goes inside, and then you just line it up with this part here. Sorry, you guys are like shadowed. Line that up there, stick her in, put this piece down on the piece I just took out, and then successfully stick that boy back in. Actually, you have to push this, but I didn't push it in enough. And there you go. You have to push it in. You'll hear a little noise, but then boom, SSD, RAM, and that done. In general, oh, would you look at that case, chat? Because I want to do it after the build. But this is the case. It's, oh my god, this case is so cute. I love this thing. Alright. I'm just gonna... You could use a screwdriver for this, and I probably am because my fingers are already hurt. But these are just thumb screws that you can take out. Let's go. All of the things, standoffs, which most people, these already have standoffs in them, so these might be extra, or if I need to put in a standoff for something that I don't know. The front IO stuff is like very messy looking in the back, but we'll deal with that when we get there, chat. We will deal with that when we get there. I wish I could get like a light over here. Can you guys see? You guys can basically see in the case. We're gonna take the IO shield. That's what it's called. It's called the IO shield. We're gonna stick it this way, like that. Make sure that it goes up with our PC. Okay. We're gonna stick it in this little hole under here. Pause. Plug. Oh no. Oh, yeah, we'll get there when we get there. We'll get there when we get there. Okay. Okay. And then you just line it up with the IO shield. Sticker there. You see what I meant by, I think it looks like a mini ITX? I think it literally is a mini ITX. Nah, we'll be aight. And I'm gonna go diagonal to diagonal. Here. So I go here, because this is the closest one. I don't know what I'm supposed to do with that, but I don't really care enough. What's good, bro? Thanks for the alert, Commando. I appreciate it. I really hope the GPU fits in this. Chat, hold on. I have to look and see if the GPU fits. So we're gonna open it right now. Big ass box. Didn't make the edges thick enough. No. Box gone. Bigger box that was inside the smaller box. It's Infi. There's about to be many screens. Yeah, dude. There's gonna be so many messed up things. We have my extended warranty here. My car's extended warranty. the SATA cable transfers, but I'm not going to use this crap. Most likely because they're mustard and ketchup cables, and that's ugly. If we get this boy out here. I mean, realistically, I could plug in the graphics card right now, but I won't. Ooh, that's a big boy! That's a chunky! Alright, chat, hold on. Is there anything else in this box? Oh yeah, it's gonna fit like a charm, chat. Look at that! It fits like a charm. Look at that. Oh my god, what a sexy graphics card. And yes, chat, I described my graphics card as sexy. Get with the program, man. Okay. Open it up in the back. I don't know exactly where the Oh no. Okay, all the fans are are Molex. That's so weird. I've never seen a bunch of Molex adapters. Okay, this is for the front IO, which this is what I have to route. All of this stuff is for the RGB for the lights. I pulled this out of something. I pulled something out of this. But we'll figure that out when we get to that point. Oh, man. Okay. Let me get this off. BRB NFE, I gotta get it on PC. Okie dokie. So I'm just gonna route all of these cords. Or I'm just gonna route this one right here. Over here. This one goes on my motherboard from this side, so I'm gonna just stick it over here. That's a really weird placement. It'll work. Bro, I'm trying to reach over here because I keep on seeing the glass and I keep on thinking I can reach through there, but I can't. That's a foolish thing to do. But like I said, while we're here, maybe I could install the power supply. It's semi-modular, so it'll just make everything easier. So let me just do that now. The power supply! The power supply! Let's go. It's a little weird. Like this, I suppose? Oh, there you go. It's just like being weird. It's finicky. What are you gonna do with two PCs? Oh, I'm not gonna keep both of them. I'm selling my old one. So I'm gonna make some money on that one. And then with this one, it's gonna be my new streaming rig. But I think in the meantime, before I even sell it, I could just use my old PC as a streaming PC, stream off the PC, play games on this one, but I don't have a lot of space to put two PCs. But I'm definitely selling one. Beautiful. The freaking screw finally went in. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And we got her locked in. I'm not gonna mess with any of the cords for the power supply yet. I'm not there yet, and I don't want to deal with that crap. But for now, we're gonna leave the back panel up, because I know I'm gonna have to go back there anyway. So in the meantime, let me switch over to the front here. I have all of my cords I need. We have the HD audio one that goes in this port here. Or this is HD audio, this is USB 3s. This is for the front USBs. This is really scuffed because this goes off the edge, which I don't really like, but what can you do, really? But again, my 24 pin's gonna scare the fuck out of me. Sorry, the crap out of me. Hopefully this doesn't come in contact with the fan blade. It shouldn't. But we don't know. We don't know until we get there. Anyways, I have to do these tiny little baby cords right here on all these tiny little pins down here. So let me just look at this really quick. now that that's finished, I can put in my 24 pin, my CPU pin for my motherboard, or for my power supply in the back here, which I will show you guys momentarily. Do cable management later. Hold on, this is backwards. Boop. From here, I guess we can put in the AIO now. It's gonna be kind of tough. Oh, we got it. We're smart people. Or I'm smart people, because I'm the one who's building it, but... Hey guys, so you might be thinking to yourselves, Infinite, where's the rest of this video? And putting in the AIO in the rest of this video that had recorded and streamed just went downhill. It honestly just went downhill so fast, and I just can't bring myself to edit the rest of that content down because it's just not good. And it's not like nothing went so horribly wrong. It was just like me getting really frustrated at wires and blah blah blah, and you know, I'm not gonna put you guys to see that. After this I'm going to show you guys the completed and finished PC, which is actually what I've been using for the last few months. And I'm editing the video on it right now. I put the graphics card in, and I finished the AIO, and I had to do some things, but I'll just leave all of that crap out. The PC looks beautiful. I am super happy. And really, whenever you put in a graphics card, it's just a plug-in, screw-in, and there's 2 cords that come out of your power supply. You plug them in. They're called the SATA ones, the SATA ports. And then, other than that, my AIO is working perfectly fine. So, yeah, I'd like to thank you all for watching this video. To the teachers that might be watching this video for my project that was like half of what this stream was supposed to be. Thank you. Anyway, I hope you guys all have a good rest of your days. I will show you the finished photos, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Goodbye. So this is the finished PC. It has been about a month since I've gotten it, maybe 2, but it is beautiful. I absolutely love it. I have this little Gengar and a Pokeball over here. If you guys know where that's from, it's pretty cool in my opinion. The AIO is cool. I love my graphics card. I just love this PC.